How to make a coffee clay cream to firm flabby skin. Flabby, loose skin is a beauty issue that many women worry about, especially when it comes early. This occurs due to a loss of collagen and elastin, which happens over time. However, it can also happen in young people as a result of sudden weight changes and a sedentary lifestyle. It makes skin tissue hang more loosely while giving the appearance of wrinkles and other premature signs of aging. Fortunately, it's a condition that can be made less noticeable as long as you're willing to adopt a healthy lifestyle and use certain cosmetic treatments. While you can find lots of options at the store, many people prefer natural treatments that are not only more budget-friendly, but offer more benefits. Here, we'd like to share a homemade cream made from coffee and clay with nutrients that are great at firming and toning your skin. Try it. Homemade coffee clay cream to firm flabby skin. This coffee clay cream is a firming and anti-inflammatory mask that helps firm flabby skin if used consistently. It increases the elasticity and collagen levels of your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of aging. Its high levels of antioxidants and essential minerals give your skin tissue a special protective barrier, diminishing the negative impact of free radicals and toxins. When applied with a massage, it also promotes good circulation. This is useful for stretch marks, cellulite, and other problems that affect your appearance. Since the nutrients in the cream are absorbed more easily through your pores, it's good at enhancing the oxygenation and rejuvenation processes of your body. Also, since it doesn't contain harsh ingredients, it can be used anywhere on your body without running the risk of undesired side effects. How do I make this firming cream out of clay and coffee? This coffee clay cream is a way to spoil your skin at home without spending so much money on costly treatments you get at the store. It's easy to find the ingredients at herbalist stores or even supermarkets. While it has different results on each individual, regular use will have remarkable benefits. That said, it's best to complement it with daily exercise and eating well, since these are essential habits for maintaining firm skin. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters, 1 black tea bag, 1 cup of green clay, 200 grams, 6 tablespoons of used coffee grounds, 60 grams, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 80 grams, 10 drops of hazelnut extract. Tools: a glass jar, a wooden or silicone spoon. Preparation: first, heat the 1/2 cup of water. Once boiling, add the black tea bag. Let steep for 10 to 15 minutes and then strain and pour into the glass jar. Add the green clay to the tea and stir with a wooden spoon until well dissolved. If it's too thick or powdery, add a little warm water. Once it forms a paste, add the coffee grounds, olive oil and hazelnut extract. Keep stirring until creamy. Let sit for an hour and then apply. How to apply. Clean the area you want to use the product on. If possible, exfoliate to make absorption easier. Take a generous amount of the firming cream and smooth onto the skin with circular massaging motions. Let sit for 20 to 30 minutes or until dry. After this time, rinse with plenty of warm water and a soft sponge. Dry well with a clean towel and finish the treatment by applying a moisturizing cream. You'll immediately notice cooler, cleaner, more toned skin. Keep in mind that the firming power of this mask does not have results with just one application. Be consistent in using it and you'll see results shortly.